Welcome everyone. My name is Deb, together with the company, the Abico of PH. If you register the Postales, it's not that is a name, but its acronym stands for People's Ecosystem for Societal Transformation, Advanced Leadership, and Economic Sustainability. The conference started way back 2014 when we visited Kalayuan, which is we knew some of the farmers that has been, there's no justice when it comes to middlemen. After that, we also encountered rampant conventional. When I asked them, some of the farmers, so this is what we eat. So, no ma'am, we have planted another our backyard. What? So you know that what we are selling is not good? Yes. And why you are doing that? It's just for money. From there, I said, oh my God, this is crazy. That's the one thing that I realized that, this shouldn't be to be. We have to at least tell to the consumers that eating those is not healthy. We started, we experienced lots of doors and ups and downs. First, we experienced also that we don't have nothing to eat, have forage for 7 months. It reached to the point that even peso to buy a salt, we don't have the peso to buy a salt. In 2023, we were awarded the Gawa Saka Awardee as Outstanding Small Farmers Organization. We are awardee a National Filipino Award way back 2023 also. 2024, the Pistales became a certified organic farm, first in Cebu province and third in Central Visayas.